What's going on? It's your boy Cartoon here with Cartoon Review. We review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we're going to be looking at this LED light top mount for your camera or any kind of mount that will support this little thing, this hot shoe. This is going to be good. Stay tuned. Alright, so I decided to get this LED hot shoe top mount, side mount, however you want to do it, whatever is more convenient for you to get better lighting. When it comes to video, lighting is very important. So I got these two lights right here so you can see kind of a shadow type of thing. So I want to kind of not eliminate it, but I don't want this shadow right here. So I decided to get one of these bad boys. Also, I got a camera mount because I am using a phone to record all my videos. So it has the little hot shoe on top, so I'm able to hook this bad boy on it. So I'm gonna put this to the side and we're gonna open this bad boy to see what we get. I got this on Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link down below. I paid 23 bucks, I think it was, which is not bad. So first things first, you get a micro USB to charge it. Cool. Then you get a couple filters, so you get a blue, a red, and then you get a clear one which is already hooked up to it, which is not bad at all. And you see the LEDs right here, and then you have this little clear thing. We're gonna rip it. Oh, I guess it was just one little thing. So it's nice and small, and then you get the hot shoe right on this end right here. So all you basically gonna do is screw that bad boy in there. If I could screw it in, there you go. And then you're gonna use this circle one on top to tighten it so it won't go nowhere. So you set it up how you want it, and then you tighten it up, which is not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see if it has any juice in it. So when it comes to spec, I don't remember what was the spec for it. So let's look at the box. So it's 5 watts. Temperature, color-wise, you're gonna get max of 5000 K, which is kilowatts, something like that. I forgot what K means, but it's pretty good. You got 120, you got 112 LEDs in here, supposedly. I don't know what that means, but it is what it is. So we're just gonna, let me see if it has any kind of power. Oh yeah, it does. Hold it, there you go. Okay, all right, you see it. Oh man, this is gonna be great. You see no shadow, just minimal. Button, take it off. And then the dope thing about it is you could tell it's 100% brightness, and you can bring it down. So you got a plus right here and a minus right there. So we're gonna, oh, that's great. And it tells you the hours. It got 1 hour and 16 minutes. Let me see if you can see right there. There you go. 1 hour, 16 minutes. So the lower you go, the more battery you're gonna get. So that's pretty awesome. And it makes a way of a difference. You see it? So you don't even have to be 100%. Like, let's go 100% on this. And you're gonna see the time change. So you have 42 minutes. And okay. Oh, you see the lights? Oh man, this is gonna be great. So I basically can eliminate my two side things. So we're just gonna try it out. Let's put something in front of it. Let's put this product there. And we could just bring it down to make it nice, a nice tone where it's not too harsh. So this is at 10%. Now let me know what you think. think about it. You know what? I'm gonna turn off my two side and we're gonna turn this, just use this alone, okay? Give me a second. So you can only see the light in the back, which is my ceiling light. So let's put this bad boy here. Okay. You wanna make it brighter? You can make it brighter. All right. This is 1%. That's 1%. And how many hours do we get? We get 7 hours and 32 minutes. All right, that's not bad. That's at 10%, we get 3 hours of battery, quote unquote. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna set everything up and we're gonna see how it looks in my rig. I'm gonna show you what my rig look right now as it is, my whole top down setup basically. And we're gonna see how, I'm digging this light. So let me turn this bad boy off and I'm gonna show you what my whole setup look like. Okay, so this is my setup right here. So you see my camera right there, looking down to the products. And then I have these two light rings on the side. So I'm gonna change this whole thing up and let's see how it looks. I want something much cleaner. And I might keep them two light rings. I just bring down the light of it. So let's just see, all right, so I just finished doing the light and I'm digging this setup right here. I really can't front. Next thing we're gonna do is try with the filters that it come with to see if you can see the difference, if it's worth even putting a filter. Most likely it's gonna be, so we're just gonna see. Let's take a look at it. All right, so everything is good. Got everything set up, so I'm gonna turn on the light. Hold on, you gotta hold it. There you go. Okay, it's at 10% right now. I wanna see with the filter if it makes the brightness a difference. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm definitely gonna put a filter on it. I'm definitely gonna leave that filter in there. It's well worth it putting the filter in, and I might just go a little bit less. I think this is a good one, good percentage. I could go a little bit higher if I want to. That's 5%, and I'm gonna just throw in the side lights to see how it looks. Still gets, with them side lights, I get a shadow, right? Some people like it, some people don't. Let me turn off the light to see if we still get some kind of shadow. I mean, you do, but it's not as bad as it was before. Yeah, sometimes you're gonna want to have some side lights, or I could probably do is lower the percentage of it, which I might try to do that. Play with it a little bit. So it's not bad setup, but let's see how it is when you're doing a face, like you're doing a vlog type of thing, or you're talking just face to face with the camera without no product. Let's see how that it is. All right, so this is the front portion. No light, no nothing. So let me turn on the light and let's see how does it make a difference. All right, so this is the light. The light is about, the camera and the light is about, what, a good 3 feet away from me. And I think it makes me pop a little bit. I think it's worth it. Man, let me turn it down. Let's turn up, that's down. Now let's go up. That's about 20%. Looks pretty good still. Stop blowing me up too much, not too much brightness. I mean, you could tell because of my monitor is off right now, but I think it's pretty good. I think it was worth it. I'm gonna leave a link down below if you wanna purchase it. Use the link. I would gladly appreciate it. A small portion of it comes to me, and all I'm gonna do is put it in my channel, buy these dope tech that y'all probably never thought about getting or seeing it, and y'all just want to know if it's worth it. I think it's worth it for the price compared to other similar LED lights like this one. It's worth it. So I'm gonna leave a link down below. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. It's been a while. Hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's your boy Cartoon. Peace.